Hi everyone, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. So today we will be doing a bit of trimming of the leaves of my tomatoes. I've partially neglected to do so because I've been so busy. I also wanted to take a video to show you the process, and as you can see I have a lot of tomatoes on the branches that have been blocked by the leaves from receiving light. Also, just a quick note, I will not be taking off all the leaves as I need photosynthesis to happen. And further on in the video I will be trimming the roots as well. I also wanted to note that I will be using a paper bag today so that I can compost the cuttings. Let's begin. After my husband helped me hold up the tray for the plants, the bottom part that actually the yellow, those cones sit in, I was able to trim the roots a bit more, and then after that I rinsed off the base because I took it to the bathroom, and then also cleared the roots a little bit more from the filter as well. Also, you'll start to notice that the base there gets very dirty from the plant bits that fall down from the actual leaves. So generally speaking, you can clean that very easily by either using a vacuum cleaner or something like a cloth or something. And also you can pretty much tell that the plants are leaning over quite a bit. I will be putting up their guardrail pretty quickly here. This time I filled up the reservoirs with 2 gallons of distilled plus the nutrients. Reason for this is because I refilled my water softener and I did not want to give softened water to my plant. I hope you all found this video to be informative, and please let me know of your successes with your AeroGardens. I would love to read them in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Please check out my other videos.